Hey, it's Kay. Hope you're feeling cute today.
Happy birthday to me.
Welcome back to my channel. So for today, we're going to do another birthday photoshoot ideas video. And I know my birthday is over, but I noticed that you guys really like birthday photoshoot ideas. And I also enjoy doing it, so I decided to make another one for you. And as usual, I made sure that these concepts are easy to do at home and on your own, and you don't even have to spend a lot of money or exert a lot of effort. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started with the video. The first concept is Birthday Princess. I DIY'd this backdrop to make it look like a soft purple tie-dye color, and it kind of failed, but it still looks cute nonetheless. I used this plain white fabric and powder fabric dyes, dissolved in water to make the tie-dye effect, but I think I put in too much water, so it just turned into this cute light purple color. This concept was actually inspired by Red Velvet Joy's photo shoot for Hello, so I tried to do her poses as well. For the editing, as usual, I used Lightroom to adjust the lighting and colors of the photo. Then I opened Prequel to add the Monroe effect for a little vintage vibe. For a more editorial look, I opened another photo on Prequel and added the junk number 3 effect. And then I saved that photo and opened it again to add a printed poster effect to make it look like a cool magazine cover or poster from the early 2000s. I love this concept so much, it's giving spoiled birthday girl who got everything she wanted for her birthday. The next concept is another red gift. It's me, I'm the gift. This concept is an excuse to wear these ribbon hairpins because they're so cute. And not gonna lie, blowing up these giant number balloons decreased 2 years of my life. But anything for this photo shoot, right? Anyways, I just did some soft girly poses while holding the balloons. This would be easier if I had a bigger space to take photos, but I really prefer doing this in my own room, so we just gotta work with what we have. I also taped the balloons on my wall, which I regretted instantly after taking it off because this happened. Anyways, for the editing, I do the usual lighting and color adjustments on Lightroom. And then I opened PixArt to remove the unnecessary background details and added a bit of grain effect. Oh my god! The next concept is New Jeans. Honestly, New Jeans is an instant favorite K-pop group for me. Like, all of their songs hit so hard and their whole aesthetic is the vibe at the moment. I borrowed this camcorder from my boyfriend and I love it so much that I decided to use it as a prop for this photo shoot. This concept is so easy because I didn't have to set up my background for this, I just took photos in front of my desk. I love how the photos and art in my background really gave this photo so much character that even if it's kind of messy, it still looks good. The Space Buns look is inspired by this photo of Danielle. She's just so pretty. For the editing, I used this Polaroid filter on PixArt combined with another filter, 1995. To make it look like a warm film photo. I did that with all of the photos. And then since this is a paid feature of PixArt, as an alternative, you can also go to Prequel app and then apply the VHS filter for a similar film vibe. This is honestly one of my favorite concepts to date. The next concept is Starry Night, perfect for 18th birthday photo shoots. The backdrop is also very easy. I just used the usual silver French curtains, and then I added these falling stars to add more sparkle to the background. Okay, this song has been stuck in my head since I watched Yesley's video. Anyways, for my outfit, I just wore this beautiful lilac satin dress. This dress went viral last year, and the moment I wore it, I understood why. For the posing, I just tried to look graceful, and I also made use of the falling stars as well. The thing I enjoy the most about doing these photo shoots is that I get to dance around, feel the music, and just have a little party on my own. As you noticed, the lighting I used that day wasn't that great, so I had to adjust the brightness and colors in Lightroom. And since the background already looks great as it is, I didn't add any more effect to this photo.
You say you want me, you better want me, now you got me.
And here are the final photos. My top pick would probably be the new jeans concept. What about you? And I guess that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed all of the concepts that we did today, and let me know in the comments which one was your favorite and which concepts you want me to do in the future. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you on my next video. Bye!